Pagani Automobili presents the Imola Roadster, an open-top developed to take the greatest mechanical and aerodynamic technology to the open road and guarantee uncompromising performance. Production will be limited to just 8 specimens homologated for road use throughout the world. Its bold lines are inspired by the Huayra R, the hypercar created for sole track use. The Imola Roadster is the result of sophisticated research into aerodynamic airflows and body forms to increase downforce in every driving condition. The Pagani V12 engine has been further enhanced. 850 HP at 5,600 revolutions per minute and 1,100 nanometers of torque from 3,600 to 5,600 revolutions per minute. It includes all of Pagani's passion, elegance, and cutting-edge technology in just 1,260 kilograms, 2,776.67 pounds. San Cesario sul Panaro, November 23, 2023. Pagani Automobili presents the Imola Roadster, the new limited edition from the Grandi Complicazioni division. Featuring a one-of-a-kind design and technical specification, this vehicle does not fear the track even if its 8 specimens are homologated for road use throughout the world. It is the best-performing open-top the brand has ever created. Design and aerodynamics inspired by the Huayra R. Lorenzo Kirchhoff, head of Pagani Grandi Complicazioni, states, "Initially, we wanted to create an open-top twin of the Imola Coupe, the vehicle introduced in 2020 which paid homage to the legendary racetrack. Then we took another approach. We combined the Huayra Roadster BC's sophisticated technology with the design and aerodynamic principles of the Huayra R track car. The result is the much more advanced and complex Imola Roadster. The more powerful engine requires increased cooling, prompting the team to meticulously address the radiators and the dynamics of interior airflows, enhancing the Imola Roadster's reliability and performance. 2 new features optimize cooling: the enlargement of the 2 front air intakes and the dual outlet for warm air. One is concealed in the wheel arch and the other is on the side of the bumper, a distinctive feature of the Imola model. The openings on the wheel arches provide many advantages, such as reducing pressure under the front end to benefit aerodynamic stability and improve airflow towards the rear aerodynamic appendages. Standing out at the top of the silhouette, the air scoop maximizes the effectiveness of the Pagani V12's aspiration. The impressive central fin minimizes waves and stabilizes the vehicle. For the first time, the air scoop and the supports of the rear wing have been integrated with the hood. The body of the tail lights has been updated and new air vents extract hot air from the wheel arch at the same time. This simultaneously improves the cooling of the rear brakes and the downforce, i.e., the aerodynamic force which pushes the vehicle towards the ground and increases road holding. The impressive Xtrac balances the ground effect generated by the imposing rear splitter. Aerodynamic efficiency to the max. Every line and surface of the Imola Roadster was designed with the goal of reaching 600 kilograms of downforce, 1,322.77 lbf, at 280 kilometers per hour, 173.98 miles per hour, to guarantee safe and reliable behavior in every situation. The team of engineers and designers concentrated on achieving a balance between a sophisticated system of interior airflows and an exterior profile that would generate downforce in any driving condition. They ensured that every surface served both functional and aesthetic purposes, aligning with Leonardo da Vinci's principle of art and science, which guided the creation of the Imola Roadster and every other Pagani hypercar. The lateral acceleration is unexpected, 2.0 grams on a continuous drive with peaks of 2.2 grams and a longitudinal deceleration of 2.2 grams. Chassis and materials. Pagani has been developing advanced composite materials for 30 years. The Imola Roadster is the culmination of research striving for perfection. The chassis is made in Carbo Titanium HP62G2 and Carbo Triax HP62, which is firmer than ever, ensuring the driver a racecar driving experience. Plus, it even improves safety. Weight is crucial for establishing efficiency and driving pleasure. Thanks to structural principles and innovative composite materials, the new vehicle weighs in at just 1,260 kilograms, 2,776.67 pounds, a result of meticulous attention to every detail. Even the car's innovative paint contributes to making the vehicle lighter. The Aquarella light system allows the Imola Roadster to shed 5 kilograms, 11.02 lb, while maintaining the color's intensity, depth, and sheen. First-class handling. The Imola Roadster benefits from its 4 flaps which move independently from one another. They adapt to driving needs to offset pitch when braking and roll when cornering. It is a system which works in synergy with the active suspensions and contributes to the vehicle's stability. The suspension of the Imola Roadster is one of the points of pride for Pagani Automobili. The unit is composed of an independent double wishbone made from aluminum alloy, helical springs, and electronically controlled shock absorbers. The suspension electronics stand out as one of the vehicle's highlights, thanks to the presence of the sector's most powerful microprocessors. This technological advancement effectively reduces the effects of dive, squat, and roll, providing the driver with enhanced control and improving overall safety. An updated powertrain unit. The Imola Roadster owes part of its magic to the evolution of the 5,980cc Pagani V12, specifically designed by Mercedes-Benz AMG for Pagani, which delivers 850 HP with 1,100 nanometers of torque. This power is transferred to the road through the Pagani gearbox by Xtrac, a 7-speed transversal sequential gearbox known for its extraordinary responsiveness. Pagani's iconic exhaust system. The 6-pipe exhaust system, derived from the brand's latest testing at the track, showcases Pagani's unmistakable personality. Crafted from titanium and coated with ceramic using a sophisticated plasma fusion system, it becomes lighter and ensures more efficient heat dissipation. Its aerodynamic performance is unparalleled, and the auditory experience it provides is truly astonishing. Wheels and tires. With the Imola Roadster, the decades-long collaboration and partnership between Pirelli and Pagani Automobili continues, featuring the Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires, 265/30ths R20 at the front and 355/25ths R21 at the rear, which were partly created through an effective virtual development. The tires ensure unprecedented levels of grip and performance for a road-use vehicle. Multi-compound technology has allowed for the custom development of the characteristics of the ideal compound for the Imola Roadster, enhancing grip through profile optimization and achieving unparalleled geometric precision using new construction processes inspired by those used in Formula 1. The result is greater consistency and optimal performance in dry conditions. Even under extreme use, performance lasts longer, offering speed and safety for various sessions on the track. This has been achieved thanks to Pirelli's over 100 years of experience in top-flight motorsport competitions. The materials, particularly the tread compound, have been developed by leveraging Pirelli's expertise and adapting it for road and amateur track use. As these tires are homologated for road use, Pirelli's engineers also made sure to make them safe on wet asphalt. Lastly, the wheels developed with AP are crafted from Avenal forged material. Light, featuring an aggressive 7-spoke design, they undergo expert manual finishing, resulting from a sophisticated forging process and mechanical manufacturing to save on every last gram. A journey beyond time. The interior of the Imola Roadster transcends the boundaries of time. It draws inspiration from the glorious past and projects towards the future of motorsports and grand touring. Stepping on board transports you to another dimension. Time stands still, and the contemplation of details captivates. Every detail captures attention, revealing the precious skill of Pagani's artisans down to the smallest detail. The Imola Roadster aims to delight those who experience it, even before igniting the engine. The carbo wood, the finely embossed leather, the components that showcase the allure of mechanical nature. The satisfaction of touch and sight is immediate. Even the sense of hearing is not neglected. The 7-channel audio system with the new bass reflex on the door panels provides an immersive and crystal-clear auditory experience. When contemplation is satisfied, there remains nothing but to assume the most comfortable position in the carbon fiber monocoque seats, fasten the 4-point racing-style seatbelt, start the Pagani V12 and engage the first gear. It will be the beginning of a thrilling new journey. The Grandi Complicazioni division. By nature, some technological inventions require such a complex design that they can only be produced in extremely limited quantities. Even just one specimen. In the world of haute horlogerie, they are called grand complications, and Pagani Automobili borrows this name for the division dedicated to special projects. These are vehicles produced in ultra-limited series, featuring technologies so complex that only a few master artisans are able to bring them to completion. This division offers an infinite range of customizations. Colors, finishes, materials and shapes are designed in total synergy between clients and artisans, in order to fulfill every desire and create a completely bespoke object. Technical specifications. Dry weight 1,260 kilograms, 2,776.67 pounds. Power 850 CV, 625 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute at 18 degrees Celsius. Torque 1,100 nanometers from 3,600 to 5,600 revolutions per minute. Engine Pagani V12 60 degrees 5,980 cc twin turbochargers, crafted to Pagani specifications by Mercedes-AMG. Gearbox Pagani by Xtrac, 7-speed transversal sequential gearbox AMT, automated manual transmission, with electromechanical differential. Transmission rear-wheel drive. Chassis Carbo Titanium HP62G2 and Carbo Triax HP62 chassis with front and rear tubular CRMO steel subframes. Suspensions forged aluminum alloy independent double wishbone with helical springs and electronically controlled shock absorbers. Brakes Pagani braking system by Brembo, 4 ventilated CCM discs brake unit. Front 398 x 36 mm, 15.67 x 1.42 inches, with 6 pistons monolithic caliper, rear 380 x 34 mm, 4.96 x 1.34 inches, with 4 pistons monolithic caliper. Wheels 7-spoke forged monolithic aluminum alloy, front 21 inches, rear 22 inches. Tires Pirelli P0 Trofeo R. Front 265 30ths R20, rear 355 25ths R21. Maximum speed 350 km/h, 217.48 miles per hour, self-limiting.